If you're an avid gardener or even a weekend warrior, chances are you're a backyard bird lover too. So as you're putting your garden to bed as winter rolls in, what can and should we do to protect our feathered friends as well? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 important steps you can do to keep our birds fed and protected even through the coldest months. Birds are remarkably resilient creatures, even in winter, but it never hurts to provide a little extra help, especially for those 3 most important elements of survival: food, water, and shelter. First, supplement their food with a variety of high-energy options, from traditional choices such as various seeds, including black oil sunflower, which contain important fats, to suet mixed with seed or other fatty products, and peanut butter that birds will devour throughout winter. All are good options to provide nutrition and energy that birds will love. Be sure to make seed accessible and dry. Keep snow clear and provide a clean space on the ground if possible for ground-feeding birds. A windbreak next to food is another important option during extra harsh conditions. Next, birds need water throughout the year, so it's especially important to provide access to water in winter when it's often frozen or covered in snow. A bird bath deicer is an inexpensive way to keep a water source available all through the winter. Third, be sure to provide much needed shelter for birds, especially in winter, to protect them from cold winds and snow. Evergreen shrubs and trees work well for that. Or provide brush piles around your landscape. They can be a welcomed respite from the elements. Even old birdhouses can be cleaned out to provide a warm escape on a cold and snowy night. So there you have it, 3 important considerations and easy things that you can do to help protect our feathered friends all through the winter.